inside. No leaves. Wait. Okay. Good boy, wait. What are you eating? Good boy, wait. Touch. Yes, wait. Touch. Sit. Down. A little bit. Go. Lucy, come back. Sit. Down. Roll over. Oh, good boy. Sit. Good boy. Wait. Okay. Monkey? If anyone needs a squeaky toy, this is a big hit in our household. Good morning. It is Saturday, thank goodness, and I just finished up my routine with Moose, who's pacing back and forth as I film this. So it's time to start taking care of myself a little. I'm gonna have some hot water, make some breakfast, but just really take it slow today because we are in full-on weekend mode right now, which means we're moving slow, waking up slow, and yeah, it's gonna be a slow morning. So this has been the breakfast that I've been making pretty much every day for a few months now. I don't know why, I just really got back into eating eggs in the morning. I went through an omelet stage, stopped eating the omelets because I got sick of them, went through an oatmeal stage, but I'm in just like a soft scrambled egg stage, and I feel like I've gotten really good at it. I'm gonna whip this up. I do some like soft scrambled eggs with a little bit of cheese, and okay, not true, a lot of cheese, and then just on a piece of toast with a little bit of ketchup. It's so yummy and so delicious. I just like get excited about having it every morning. And I'm using my green pan, which I've had for a few months now. I actually got a set. This is not sponsored or an ad, but they did send a set to me, and I was so excited about it because I had a green pan in college that I ended up losing. I think like a roommate took it or something like that by accident, and it was my all-time favorite pan to cook in. But this is their magneto induction technology, so you can actually use this on both an induction stove and a gas stove, but right now we have an induction stove, and these are just such amazing pans. I just find that it cooks everything so well. The heat is distributed so evenly. There's a lot of different things about these pans that are great, like you can use metal utensils in them, they don't scratch, and then obviously not using a product that is going to off gas into your food or anything like that. These are in my opinion, like safe pans to be cooking in. So I'll link the set down below in case you guys want to check it out, but I personally love it. So I'm gonna grab this pan. I use the big one for eggs. I just feel like it cooks them better. All of the essential ingredients. You can probably hear the toaster in the background. For the eggs, give them one last little mix. Pour them on. Lots of cheese. Too much cheese, it's fine. I feel like this is gonna be a lot of like ASMR. Put a little ketchup on here. Now we get the eggs. We just pop it right on top. Yum. And now it's time to eat. So good. This is the mood that I will be emulating today. What a loaf. Okay, so definitely getting a later start on the day, but we're about to go grab lunch. We got some takeout for lunch today, so I'm just gonna wash my face super quick and do my morning skincare routine, which is really, really simple. Get all the sleep off. And I'm really only using 2 products on my face in the mornings. This Honest Beauty Calm and Go Mist, which I really like. And then this Daily Calm Lightweight Moisturizer from them. I like to apply the moisturizer while my skin is still damp. I feel like it absorbs better. Sunscreen, I'm using this Flex sunscreen from Color Science, which I'm testing out and I'll have a post about over on Instagram soon, but it's one of those like color changing ones. Deodorant. Oh shoot. I think I'm almost out of this one again. Started to do this last time when I was running low. Okay, take my hair out. Their food is ready. So I'm running late and we gotta go. This is not the results of the quarantine. I don't know what else is. With 3 different takeout locations. Lunch that Jared wanted, lunch that I wanted, and then a stop at Boba. So all in all, we spent an hour just picking up takeout, which, like I said, I feel like that is the quintessential 2021 pandemic approach to takeout. Okay, so I just got back from a walk with Moose. We went after lunch. We tried to get him just around a couple of blocks. It's a little bit warm out, so we didn't want to stay out too long. As we'll see Jared's very prominent sock tan. The poor guy, he tries to put on sunscreen every time he goes for a bike ride, but since he's out for so long, he just ends up with these really gnarly tan lines. But anyway, I wanted to make a quick sample for my sister of a face oil because I'm gonna go over to my parents' house where she's gonna be, since my sister's dogs are over there as well. So we're gonna let Moose play a little bit on the grass. I always keep these little sample containers when they're nice, like May Lindstrom makes really nice sample containers, and that way I can just fill them up and give them to people and they can try stuff out, or if I'm traveling, I'll fill them up. They're just great to keep. So I'm gonna fill this really quick. We're gonna head over to my parents' house, and then when I come back, Jared and Moose have an agility class, and I'm gonna tackle our whole house and clean it up because it is a mess. Can you see like laundry hanging behind me? I've been out of commission in terms of cleaning for a few weeks because I hurt my back, and then I got my second shot this week, and I did end up getting a little bit sick, so I was out of commission then, and our house is just like a total pigsty because I love Jared, but he doesn't quite clean the way that I do, and then we end up just throwing stuff everywhere, and by the end of the week it looks crazy. So I'm gonna clean up the whole house. You guys will see a lot of time lapses coming your way real soon. What's up with that, everyone? All right, Jared and Moose are at their agility class. I'm gonna grab a hair tie and I'm gonna make all of this look better because it is so messy. So we're gonna start downstairs because that is where Moose hangs out the most. So when he comes back, it'll be nice and clean. I won't have to bug him with the vacuum or anything. And then I'll do upstairs second. We're gonna have a pretty late dinner tonight. Their class goes until around 8, so we won't eat until after that, which I usually hate doing, but I'm actually not that hungry, so it kind of makes sense. And this gives me some time to clean. So let me get a hair tie. Matter of an hour. This place will be looking a lot better. So let's get started.
Wake up this morning, make the mistake of turning on the TV. Nothing but bad news, empty avenues rolling on the screen. Oh, walk to the kitchen and make myself a cup of coffee. Wave at the older man, get into something tame on his balcony. Oh, yeah, we both have been stuck in our apartments for 2 months too long. We don't even get along, but the world just fell apart straight out of the blue. So in my mind I whisper ciao and I take myself to Tuscany, Italy, riding on a Vespa in a sunflower field. Yeah, warm wind blowing and birds are singing in cypress trees. Tuscany, Italy, carbonara and read Machiavelli. While the world ends, that's where I will be. Go back to my room. I pick up the laptop to join a work call. I don't think Erin knows that she's wearing her sweatshirt inside out. Oh, water on my plans, and I just might take a painting, read every book, then I'll learn to cook from videos online. Oh, yeah, we all have been stuck in our apartments for 2 months too long. We don't even get along, but the world just fell apart straight out of the blue. So in my mind I whisper ciao, and I take myself to Tuscany, Italy, riding on a Vespa in a sunflower field. Yeah, warm wind blowing and birds are singing.
All right, it's 7:55. Jared's almost home. I actually have to do something for work really quick that Jared's gonna help me with when he gets back. So I'm gonna pause right now, but I did all the downstairs, the upstairs bathroom, so all I have left is the office, which looks crazy too, and then our bedroom. But I think those should go pretty fast because they're small spaces. So we made really good progress. Very happy. I'll finish up the rest after I do my work thing and after, I'm sure my hair looks crazy right now, and after we eat dinner. But yeah, I feel very happy, very accomplished. Definitely like a Cancer the Crab kind of moment where when my space is really disorganized, I feel disorganized. So happy to have this done. Hopeful that I'm actually recording this time because I just spent like 5 minutes talking to my phone and I wasn't recording. But this is me from the future editing this video, realizing I never signed off or said goodbye or really checked in after I had to go run that work errand. It ended up taking a lot longer than I thought it would, and Jared and I didn't get back until like 9:30. And at that point, we were both so starving. So we got burgers and watched a movie and just like totally chilled the rest of the night. So it wouldn't have been interesting anyway, but it would have been nice of me to say goodbye. So this is me saying bye, wrapping up this video. I hope it was interesting. It actually wasn't that interesting. I just edited it. It's mainly what I do every Saturday, which is like eat, take out, clean my house, and then do endless things for Moose because Jared and I's life just like revolves around him now. But yeah, I hope it was relatively interesting. Let me know, is this like a typical Saturday for you, or do you guys do like crazy adventures? I don't know. Am I really boring? Is this anyone else's ideal Saturday? Does anyone else love cleaning up their house, organizing stuff? Let me know if I'm crazy in the comments. Otherwise, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.